Favorites are new inside Camtasia 2020, so let's see how we can use favorites to speed up the process of creating our videos. What we can do is find those tools that we want to use repeatedly and put them in a favorites area. You'll see that there are a couple of callouts that I use quite a bit. I use this sketch motion callout and I use this keyboard shortcut. Now, I can find those faster if I put them in my favorites. So let's find them for now. Let's go to Annotations. I'll go to the sketch motion, and the one I like is this rectangle. Now when I do that, I see that there is this star up here, and I can click to save to favorites. Oh, okay. Has a little star by it. All right, neat. I'll do the same thing for my keystroke callout. The one I prefer is the second one here. I don't need the first or the last couple. I just really like this one. So again, I'll click the star. Now when I go over to favorites, sure enough, there they are in the list. You want to keep your favorites limited. I probably wouldn't go beyond 10 or 12. But we don't have to just add these annotations. We can also add transitions. I like fade. In fact, it's one of the few I use. I'll go ahead and add fade. And the other one I use is slide. So I'll scroll down and grab slide left and slide right. Another thing that I like to add under the visual effects is color adjustment. So I'll add that to my favorites. Now when I look at favorites, I see those different things here all appearing. And I don't have too many. I have, 6 listed here so far, and that's fine. I can go in here and I can even filter out the ones I don't need. Maybe I added too many of one type. And I say, oh, I just need to see transitions. Okay, there they are. If you're keeping this concise, if you're keeping a shorter list of favorites, you should be able to see them all on one screen. But now, whenever I need to go and use those favorites, they're very easy to get to. Just click favorites and then grab and apply them to my video.